My name is Dr. Erika Bsumek. My startup is called ClioVis, and I am based in Austin, Texas. ClioVis, Clio is the muse of history, and Vis is to visualize. So we are a software company that helps students visualize the educational experience, whatever they're learning. We started in the history space, and now we've moved out into other spaces. So we really help students see what they're learning in a whole new way. So I am a history professor, and I started noticing students coming in with some pronounced skill gaps. And I had this idea for some software that could help maybe close some of those gaps and help students succeed in the classroom. And I thought surely there must be some software out there that did what I was kind of looking for it to do. And I looked around and it didn't exist, and so I built my own software. So our startup is really unique in the space. Because we are in the ed tech space, we are actually combining 3 different softwares: timeline, mind mapping, and presentation software. So we provide the students a really unique experience where they are engaged in hands-on learning with whatever course content they have. So the students are building these interactive timelines or pathways depending on what kind of topic they're focusing on. And as they're doing that, they're making connections and building out a fully interactive timeline, which then, when we put it in presentation mode, plays as a little mini documentary or a mini film, which is really cool. So the students are actually producing something. They're not just writing a paper or memorizing data for a test or an exam. They're actually producing a cool product. We have a generation of content creators, and they're really creating content with the materials that they're learning in class. So Softeq kind of combines the best of both worlds: marketing expertise and technology expertise, and we sort of needed both, so we were looking for somebody who could help us in both of those spaces, and somebody who could really help us understand the software startup ecosystem, because we're really right in that SaaS space, and so we needed somebody who could help with that. So Softeq has really helped me understand that software startup ecosystem. It's given me a sort of crash course in what a CEO and a founder needs to do to bring their business to the next level.